Hey, hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we have Shrutika with us. Shrutika is studying in third year from College of Engineering Pune in Mechanical Engineering. She recently got internship from the DRDO, and the main motto of this video is discussing with her about her interview experience, about her college life, about her internship projects, and about her studies. So watch this video till the end. And yes, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and like, comment, and share. Thank you. So hi Shrutika.
Hello,
How are
Vaishnavi.
you?
I'm fine.
Okay. So tell me about yourself.
Okay, hello guys. This is Shrutika Wag, and I'm currently in the third year of the mechanical engineering. I did my diploma from the SN Jabis Polytechnic, which is in Nasik, and I also completed my schooling from Nasik itself. That's it.
Okay. So why diploma? Why not 11, 12?
Actually, from 8th standard, it was decided by me to go in engineering field. So diploma was the quite easier and better option for me to explore engineering stuffs.
हाँ.
So I choose
Technical
diploma.
knowledge भी बहुत ज़्यादा रहता है.
बहुत ज़्यादा. Like you get, it is basically mini engineering where you have projects, where you have internships experiences and subjects similar to your BTech.
ओके सो मतलब जो अभी आपको सब्जेक्ट्स हैं वही आपके डिप्लोमा में थे.
हाँ, right.
लेकिन वो थोड़ा बेसिक लेवल के थे.
बेसिक लेवल पे थे एंड मोर ऑफ थ्योरेटिकल पार्ट.
थियोरेटिकल.
यस.
एंड इधर इम्प्लीमेंट हो रहा है
हाँ,
इन
मैथमेटिकल टर्म्स.
ओके. Then why specifically mechanical, not any other branches? Like अब हम लड़की है तो girls mostly go towards the IT and ENT stuff. Then why mechanical?
Okay, I chose mechanical by choice. I wanted to pursue further education in aerospace engineering, so mechanical engineering was quite better option for me because in this it is more of practical field, and I love practical work more. Yes, instead of coding and that online stuff, I enjoy doing practical work. Nice. So I choose mechanical.
Okay. So ये by choice था.
By choice, yes.
तो लाइफ कैसी ऐसी हुई थी?
Like
2-3 साल हो गए अब.
Yes, it is constantly running. That your day starts at 7:30, it ends at 1-2 at night.
At night.
It becomes very hectic. Like you have lectures from 8:30. It went to till 4:30 or till 6:30. It depends on your
The practicals of the labs.
Yes, it depends on your lectures timings and according to faculties.
Yes.
So your lectures time may vary. So after that, after 6:30, I'm part of one club, Team Nemesis Racing. So after 6 to 9, I work for a club. In that club, we focus more on technical skills.
Okay.
Then later, 9:30 to 10:30, I had my dinner. Then later, 10 to 12, I do completion work, etc.
Yeah. बहुत रहता है मैकेनिकल वालों को तो बहुत ज़्यादा. वो ड्राइंग शीट्स वगैरह
sheets and everything. Yes. Sheets, calculations, padhai. Then 12 to 2, it is my study hour. So I do study in this hour.
So ऐसी पूरी लाइफ है.
Yes, your life is like a cycle. You wake up, you do these things, and later you.
Then like we both are diploma students, so I know how hectic to manage when we firstly comes in a first semester. हम एक तो लेट हो जाते हैं बाकी सबसे, तो आपने कैसे सरवाइव किया?
I was too late. Like I joined on 6th of September, and I was having my exams from 12th of September.
Oh shit. 4, 5 days, 6 days.
6 days. And I was unaware of the subjects, like syllabus. So initially it went difficult, but later on, when you adjust in your surrounding, it becomes quite easy. Like you get to know about the ideas of how to deal with the subjects, how to deal with the faculties,
Correct.
how to deal with that question paper. So later on, कैसे पढ़ाई करनी, वो tips आप seniors से लेते हो, so it becomes quite easy.
उसके बाद तो ऐसे मैनेज किया.
Yes.
Do you join any clubs?
Yes. In second year itself, I joined one racing club, that is Team Nemesis Racing. It is a club of COP which design, manufacture, and test an all-terrain vehicle. And we participate for a competition, which is national level prestigious competition, SAE Baha India. So we participate in that competition, and we also participated in international level
Nice.
also. Yes.
So what do you think is that impact on your growth, personal growth, your
Yes.
educational growth?
Yes.
How
Till
they-
diploma, I was too introvert girl. I was not speaking to anyone. Like I was constantly engaged with my activities. That's it. But after that, my technical skills are also improved through clubs, and my interpersonal skills, like communication skills, the way I deal with the other people, it also helps to boost that confidence also.
Okay, so it is how your clubs impact your growth.
Yes.
Then मुझे पता है, like मैंने 1-2 महीने क्लब्स किए फिर छोड़ दे कि क्लब्स एंड एकेडमिक्स पर फोकस करना बहुत हार्ड है. तो हाउ डू यू मैनेज दैट थिंग?
Yes, it becomes difficult. For technical clubs, you have to constantly give your time in that technical things only.
Correct.
Like in technical clubs, you have deadlines, and you have to meet that deadlines in that time only. Because in technical clubs, you are controlled by super authorities. Like you have your seniors, pass out seniors. They also engaged in that activity, and they keep and eye like that your work is meeting with the deadlines or not. So accordingly, we are planning, we are doing things. So more times get utilized there, but in the club itself. But you can utilize your time after that. I specifically utilize my time after 9:30. So it becomes completely easy at that time. It's like after 9:30 you don't have any club work. I don't do personally any club work after 9.
एंड लाइक स्टार्टिंग में हो जाता है 1-2 महीने की कैसे मैनेज करूँ, क्या मैनेज करूँ, लेकिन उसके बाद आदत लग जाती है कि ठीक है मैं सुबह से काम कर रही हूँ और शाम को भी मुझे करना है. तो एक आदत लगने के बाद वो थिंग्स नॉर्मल हो जाती है.
हाँ.
तो वो मैनेज होना इजी होता है.
Academics, like I'm from mechanical background, so my most of subjects are covered in the club itself, because same we are designing, we are manufacturing, and we are having same subjects of design and manufacturing in our academics too.
So it would be
easy. Like for few subjects, it becomes for few subjects I utilize very few time to study. Like for manufacturing process, it had in my diploma also that subject, but
it got covered in clubs. That's why you don't need to
study that subject. Like DOMSI also, design of machine components. In clubs, we are also designing and elements of that. I'm part of the braking system, so I'm working on the design procedure of caliper, master cylinder, disc.
Okay.
So same practical application is implemented in clubs itself. So balancing
हो
जाता है.
What's your experience about the curriculum, teachers and placement in the COEP for the mechanical engineering?
Okay. Curriculum, I would like to say it is quite outdated. It is quite outdated. Like universities like MIT, WPU and other reputed universities, they are focusing on the recent technologies.
Correct.
But our syllabus is 10 to 15 years old. So this needs to be changed. But it is changing. Like we don't have, but our juniors have that subjects
like हमें जो सब्जेक्ट अभी थर्ड ईयर में है, they are having in their first year, second year
itself.
So maybe ये upgrade हो रहा है. And what about the placements?
Placements, like for internships, companies are coming. It's good. Placements are also going on. Highest, I think, 19, 16 Ibarra.
19 LPA, that is Ibarra, correct.
They are providing. Then coming Caterpillar, it is having 13 point something, I guess. Then 12, GLAD, Schneider itself, Bajaj Auto. Many more companies are there, but still I would rate 4.
Okay, not that much good. And about the teachers?
Teachers are good. They are quite strict.
हाँ, तो थोड़े से experience है, इसीलिए
हाँ
Strict है.
इसलिए स्ट्रिक्ट है.
And paper pattern बहुत ज़्यादा hard रहता है, मैंने ऐसे भी सुना है.
हाँ, like 60 marks. Suppose your exam is for 60 marks. You will be having only 6 questions, and every question is compulsory.
And it's having 10 marks.
10 marks each.
अगर गिवन मतलब एक लाइन चूक गई, लाइक एक फॉर्मूला गलत हो गया तो पूरा क्वेश्चन.
एक तो आपको 10 पे की 10 मिलेंगे. Out of 10 you will score 10 or else 0.
It's hard in mechanical, यार, seriously. So what about your hostel life?
Hostel life is good. Food is good.
How is it?
Food 4.
And about hostel life?
Hostel life is good. I'm really enjoying it. I do have a lot of friends. My friend circle is quite good. Like we are planning our trips. We are enjoying. We are focusing on academics also.
Nice.
Like we are helping each
Each other.
others.
Thank you, Shrutika.
Thank you.